What do people hold overhead when it is raining? Umbrella. What do we say if we call brothers and sisters in the same way? Siblings. Tomorrow's lecture is cancelled. If today is Tuesday, then on which day was the lecture cancelled? Wednesday. What electronic device wakes you up in the morning? Alarm clock. A dozen is a grouping of which number? 12. What is the second month of the year? February. What kind of transportation runs on the railway? Train. Which one is quicker? Running, walking or jogging? Running. Which one is using manpower, plane, car, or cycling? Cycling. Pedestrians travel by what? By foot. Which color we made by blending black and white? Gray. Which day is between Tuesday and Thursday? Wednesday. How many days are in a leap year? 366. How many years are there in a century? 100 years. What century are we now? 21st century. How many years are there in a bicentennial? 200 years. How many times does a biannual magazine published in 1 year? 2. How many years are there in a decade? 10 years. Which century is the year 1642 in? 17th. If a couple have a boy and a girl, how many children do they have? 2. Nancy will come on Wednesday. Today is Tuesday. Will Nancy come today or tomorrow? Tomorrow. How often does February have an extra day? Every 4 years. What is the month between January and March? February. How many times a year is a quarterly journal published? 4. What is the thing which we use for painting and is made of hair? Brush. What device do you wear to identify the objects except the glasses? Contact lenses. What is the room that is under the ground floor? Basement. Where do we hang our clothes, closet or drawer? Closet. When a person's blood alcohol content is higher than the standard range, what activity can't the person do? Driving. What can't you do after drinking? Driving. If someone tells something funny, what is people's reaction? Laugh, laughing. What is the 7 days period called? A week, 1 week. What is the color of the medal that a champion gets? Golden. How do you call the siblings that born from your mother at the same time? Twins. How many wheels does a bicycle have? 2. What is the hard object in the center of peaches, apples and pears? Stone, pit, core. What kind of thing can play the role of protection that oranges and bananas all have? Peel. A man whose wife is dead. Is he a widow or widower? Widower. If you want to buy a ring, who do you approach, a jeweler or pharmacist? Jeweler. When we go hiking in the mountains, what do we use to protect our feet? Hiking shoes. What is the strings on shoes? Shoelace. What is the item of footwear intended to protect and comfort human foot? Shoes. How many extra day in February in a leap year? 1. After a busy working day, what do you feel, exhausted or excited? Exhausted. What do we call the person who kills animals and sells their flesh, butcher or barber? Butcher. Who is a person that makes bread, cakes and pastries? Baker. What is the 25th letter that we use to write English words? Y. Which one would a vegetarian most likely to eat, sandwiches or a fruit salad? Fruit salad. What are the options in gender, when you complete an application? Male and female. What are the two categories of gender? Male and female. Some calendars begin the week on Sunday. What is the other day which commonly starts a week? Monday. What is the process where the color becomes lighter and lighter when exposed to sunlight for a long time? Fade. How do you call the movements that the babies move by using hands and legs? Crawling. How would you describe the process in which ice becomes water? Melting. A lack of which kind of weather causes drought, dry weather or rainy weather? Rainy weather. What is the thing used for sun protection in summer? Sunscreen, sunblock.